Hey guys, this is RLC321. I am back again with just a quick update video for the Enterprise. I may change this because I'm not 100% sure on this yet. This is what I've done. Not 100% sure until I see light coming through it. Yeah, so I'll reserve judgment on this, and I may decide to take it all off and just have the backing on there once I've finished painting it. But I thought we'd have a little talk about lighting and what I'm going to be doing with this, because this is all my own, not my own, but it's not a kit that I've bought. The lighting kit, it's not a kit that I've bought. I'm going to try and do this on my own. I've already mentioned that I'm going to be buying a crossing for model railways, crossing circuit board. They have the two flashing lights on the crossing circuit board. They go like that for model railways. So I'm going to buy one of those where I'll put it all in, put it all together. And I'm only going to need to use one LED circuit, even though it comes with two. I'm only going to need to use one, and that is going to do the flashy, because this only has I think 4 flashing lights, I think, if I remember correctly. It's just the white ones. The red and green ones, they don't flash at all, if I remember correctly. I will have to double check that. So that's what is going to be the simplest option. But other than that, the normal lighting I'm going to be doing myself, and I wanted to have a little talk about it. So the first thing we're going to be using is this. You've already seen this. This is for the nacelles. Okay, this is what I'm going to be using, and so roughly I'm going to be cutting about there. So I'm going to have, yeah, don't know, I might cut there actually. Yeah, cut there, and then have it so it's just kind of like this, but obviously on the inside. So I'm going to cut this here. Actually, I will do that now whilst I am here, just so I know what sizes that I'm doing for it. Oh, I'm dropping everything everywhere. Right, so with this you need to be very careful where you cut with any type of LED ribbon. So you want to cut in between this, in between these soldering connections there. So line it up exact and cut. Simples. Now let's do the same again. And so I want you about there. So there. Okay. And we're gonna cut right there. So there, we now have our lighting for part one of the lighting for the nacelles. In the front, I'm going to have the flickering LEDs, but I'm going to do that in another video because I don't have any of the correct color flickering LEDs. I think I've only got white. I think I have ordered some. Oh no, that's flash. I've got flashing. I've got green and red flashing. I wonder if that'll change if I put them on the thing. I don't know. Anyway, but I don't have any other. I don't have any flickering LEDs, so I'm having to order them. So these are going to go obviously in the nacelle. Now I don't know where it's. I don't want it to be direct light right in front there, so I may try and do it like above, so it shines down. So if you flip this over, so like have it kind of, just as an example, okay, kind of like in there, like that. Don't know if you can see that there you go. And I'm kind of hoping that when these are on, with that angling down, it should give a nice, it's not going to be as bright, and with the correct diffusing material we're going to be using in here, it should be pretty good. Emphasis on the word should. Now these are going to have the just a white LED in it, so it looks like it's going to glow, which is these guys. normal white LEDs. So, and hopefully I cut these out just the right size, and I didn't, so I need to, oh, that one fits but the other one doesn't. Okay, so that white LED is going to go in there. This is going to go on the top, and it's just hopefully I'm going to put loads of packing material in my side here to give it a nice glow. So that's what's going in there. I need to make that a bit wider. And what else is there? Saucer. I haven't bought my saucer section out. That's just typical. Alright, there we go. Okay, right, saucer. Saucer. Here we go. Saucer sections. Right, so with the saucer section. The saucer section, obviously this is the top. We're gonna have the bridge on top of there. But how I'm gonna light this is interesting. I mean, we already know that we're gonna have an LED in this part here. Alright, excuse me guys, I will be back in a minute. I'm being called.